If you run a creative agency and you're looking to manage your projects more efficiently, without headaches, and with more visibility of what your team are working on, then you're in the right place. My agency successfully completed over 3,000 projects for clients all over the world. And we've got a seamless process that makes every project run smoothly. So stick around and I'll show you how to manage your agency's projects like a pro. Hey, this is Matt and welcome back to the channel. Running a creative agency is a busy job. You wear lots of hats and spin lots of plates. As you grow, efficiency quickly becomes the name of the game. And you simply can't deliver great work at scale without improving the way your team manages projects. I know this from first-hand experience because I've grown my animation agency WiseOwl from a team of just me 10 years ago to a team of 20 people generating 7 figures annually. I'm not exaggerating when I say that the biggest factor in this success was the project management methodology I'll explain in this video. For me, any project must start with defined goals and project parameters. This is about setting the ultimate destination. What you're trying to achieve, what does success look like, what's the deadline, what resources do you have, and is all of this even realistic? Let's say our goal is a 1-minute animated explainer video to be ready for an event in 8 weeks. I recommend, even at this early point, we log this in a central project management tool. We use project.co and we add the information about the project that we know so far. From there, it's important to systemize things. This sounds intimidating, but really it's about breaking your big goal down into smaller actual deliverables. To put it in navigational terms, your goal is your destination and systemizing is about setting the directions. It's every step that needs to be taken and when. So for our 1-minute animated explainer video, we know we need a number of things. We need a script, we need the graphics created into a storyboard format, we need a professional voiceover, music, sound effects, and we need the animation and a final video file. Then we need to assign realistic timescales to each of those steps, ensuring that they all add up to meeting our deadline. And ideally, we need to add a little bit of buffer time in there in case things slip. Next, we have to put together our team to get this work done. And I don't mean that in an abstract, cliched way. I mean, put them together either physically or in your project management tool. Project.co lets you invite everyone from your team and your client's team so that they're all together in one project and they can communicate centrally. Then allocate your deliverables to your team with dates so everyone has visibility of where things are up to. Now, a word so important, I'm going to use it 3 times. Communication, communication, communication. Nothing's more frustrating and inefficient for teams and clients than email tennis. Keeping all your communication in a centrally accessible place is a great way to mitigate this. This also ensures continuity for the client if anyone's off or leaves the team, as your colleagues can just look back and reply to any client message with all the information to hand. And it means everyone can find information that's been agreed earlier in the project. Similarly, it's important to be organized with things like files and project notes. As well as using the notes in the files section of project.co, we've got a full handover call each time the project moves forward. This just means the person assuming control of the project gets a full rundown of everything that's been going on so far. I find this massively reduces error and rework, which improves the customer experience because there's nothing more annoying than having to repeat something that they've already told someone else earlier in the project. Great project management is about being consistent, but the process should always be up for review, so encourage everyone on your team to find ways to make it better and voice their opinions, as long as everyone's on the same page and change is agreed together. Having this amount of consistency and repetition in your business creates a well-oiled machine. It shouldn't and doesn't limit people's creativity, and it actually gives them a framework so that they can all do their best work for your clients. It reduces customer friction and inconsistency, it creates predictable profit, and it ultimately gives everyone ownership of their part of the process, which reduces your need to micromanage. Okay, to recap, set goals, create a systemized roadmap, put your best team together, facilitate great communication, remove information silos, and optimize your process over time. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up to let me know you liked it.